Jomar is the world's leader in injection blow molding. Over half of all injection blow molding machines operating in the world today were built by Jomar. Jomar's headquarters is located in a 42,000 square foot facility in Pleasantville, New Jersey. The first Jomar blow molding machines were delivered in 1969, and many of the early Jomar models, even those from the 1970s, are still in production and making bottles today. This is attributed to the craftsmanship, simplicity, and rugged construction Jomar has always upheld as its manufacturing principles. Rugged construction does not mean over-engineered, but rather built to serve the demanding production needs of our customers. One of the defining characteristics of the Jomar machine is our vertical plastifier. This system uses less energy than its horizontal counterparts, and more importantly, takes up much less floor space. In combination with the Jomar machine's ability to accommodate more cavities than most competitors' machines, the Jomar has the highest output per square foot in the industry. Jomar builds injection blow mold machines from 40 to 175 tons, which manufacture bottles from 1 milliliter to 1.5 liters. There are several unique factors built into Jomar machines that allow them to produce higher quality containers, including ultra-fast indexing speed and accuracy, integral microprocessor control, and Jomar's trademark vertical plastifier. Jomar injection blow molding machines produce bottles and containers that have more uniform thickness and weight, precise tolerance necks, greater impact strength, more consistent color, as well as glossier surface finishes. They produce bottles in a single 3-station operation with no need for trimming or deflashing. This absence of scrap eliminates the need for regranulation equipment. It is not uncommon for a single large machine to turn out 20 to 30 million units of a 3 to 15 milliliter bottle annually. This volume for one injection blow molding machine is easily equal to what 3 or more extrusion machines can produce. And with today's automated programmed controls, one operator can handle multiple Jomar injection blow molding machines and reduce your labor costs. The heart of our IBM process is a triangular rotary table. With unobstructed access, our design allows an operator to make mold changes a fast and easy task. The rotary table indexes in 120-degree steps. Core rods mounted on the face of the table form the inside of the hot preform, which is later blown into the finished container. The first station is where the preform mold and molten material is injected under low pressure into the mold cavity, where it forms a parison around the core rod. The mold opens, and the preform is transferred on the rod to the second station, where the blow molding takes place. The preform is blown with air fed internally through the core rod. As the blown plastic contacts the cold metal of the mold, the bottle is formed. The mold now opens, and the finished bottle is transferred to the third station, where it is stripped from the core rod for packing or filling. To this day, many projects fail because of poor tooling. Jomar creates a seamless harmony between mold and machine. Jomar's tooling department can take your project from concept to completion with our mold design and development services. We can create 3D models based upon product renderings and can even reverse engineer an existing product. All Jomar molds are guaranteed to perform to quoted specification and produce products in conformance with the approved product drawings, so you can be assured of both quality and performance from Jomar molds. Customers who purchase both a machine and mold from Jomar are considered turnkey customers. As such, you have only one point of contact to handle both the machine and mold manufacturing. Jomar will test the mold and machine extensively at Jomar headquarters and then duplicate the results in your plant. You're given free process engineering and mechanical maintenance classes at Jomar. After installation, a Jomar technician will go to your plant to conduct follow-up classes and ensure you are capable of full production before he leaves. Over 85% of Jomar's business is derived from outside the United States, so servicing clients from all across the globe is second nature to Jomar. We recognize the old sales adage, you win sales with pricing, but you lose them with service. There are other machines on the market that are much less expensive than Jomar's, but they can never match the level of service and reliability Jomar has been providing for over 45 years. Satisfied customers from around the world point to the service and support they receive from Jomar as one of the main reasons they would purchase another machine from us. Jomar still keeps an eye to the future by constantly improving on machines. Jomar is using Compact Logix for machine size Model 65 and larger as their new operating system. The new system has numerous features that will aid production and improve uptime. The Compact Logix can retain over 250 recipes or process parameters for molds, thereby saving time on mold changeovers. It can also help with compliance by providing documentation directly from the machine. The Model 45 machine is the approximate equivalent of the current Jomar Model 40, but is intended for new markets or customers at an entry-level price. The Model 45 incorporates some improvements developed by Jomar engineers, but reduces costs by removing extraneous options and improved methods of production. Jomar continues our 45-year tradition of simple, durable machines coupled with the sense of innovation and improvement demanded by the modern marketplace. Add superior service and support, and you've got Jomar, your partner in injection blow molding excellence.